Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to discuss where you should invest in 2023. Before we get started, it's important to remember that investing is always a risk and you should do it with money that you can afford to lose. Always do your own research and consult a financial professional before making any investment decisions. Now, let's talk about some investment options for 2023. Stocks. Stocks are a popular option for investing as they can offer significant long-term returns. However, they can also be volatile and risky. It is important to choose stocks in solid, well-established companies. Real estate funds. Real estate funds are a way to invest in real estate without having to buy an entire property. They can offer income through rents and property appreciation. Government bonds. Government bonds are issued by the government and can offer more stable returns than stocks. However, the returns tend to be lower as well. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin have been a popular investment option in recent years. They can be volatile and risky, but they can also offer significant returns. Invest in yourself. Lastly, don't forget to invest in yourself. This includes things like education, skill building, and saving for retirement. Remember, it's important to diversify your investments and not put all your money into one option. Do your own research and consult a financial professional before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.